Hello everybody, this is Bakugan is Cool 45 and I'm here with my little sister Joanna. This is the second playthrough of Grand Theft Auto, so here we go. Whoa, what the fuck? Why is it burned? It's all burned right there. It's crazy. Ooh, pinche Oaxaca van.
I need that shit you brought.
Yeah, the shit, the Oaxaca van. What the hell happened here? Come shot. What the hell? I don't know why I just said that.
You hit.
Oh, that's good right there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, I am fucking stupid. I could drive really good like this. Trust me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna crash. Yeah. See? See? Oh! Did I crash? No, I didn't crash. I'm gonna crash it. Shit, 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 no! I feel dizzy. Oh, where am I? Oh, good. I'm going the wrong way.
You're going to the game crash.
No.
There you are.
Thanks.
See? You crashed.
I didn't crash.
You crashed
It
into
didn't
a
look
car.
like I crashed. See? Did I crash again? Oh my god! Ooh! This old guy knows how to drive a bike? Ooh! Okay, there we go. I'm sorry to say this, but you're I don't know what the hell I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna shoot him.
Car's broken. Just the black.
Badass music.
Just like that. So cool.
Oh! Oh, I gotta show you something, guys. Wait, stop, please. Okay, there. That's why I wanted you to stop. Okay, I gotta show you guys something really stupid, but funny.
Yeah.
The first time I did this, it was so hilarious. Okay, so I hooked that up. What the hell? What the fuck? Dude. Okay, there we go, watch. Okay, I'm gonna turn, and then that's what happens. It's stupid, watch, I'll show you again.
Oh my god, how did that? How did that car go over there?
Watch.
Okay, there's a guy in there.
Watch. What the hell?
Where'd it go? Right there.
Spectrum.
You see what I know?
It's a Spectrum. Dude, what the hell's wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with this gay ass tractor? Huh? Can somebody tell me? Huh, bitch? Okay. Watch. Just when I turn. Hold on, let me turn my radar. Ah, que la chingada. Okay. Let me just turn a little bit so I won't go in the water. Oh shit, never mind. Shit, it's gonna blow. 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 Oh, even the hot dog one blew up. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, let me just do something really quick. No! Okay, so and then I just do that. If I made it worse, then I'm sorry. Does it look worse? Look. Look. Crap.
Yes.
Look. It looks worse?
Yep.
Okay. How about now? Tell me when to stop.
Okay, stop.
What the? Right there? Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Whoopage. How about now? Oh wow. How about now?
Yeah.
It looks worse? Yeah? Okay. So officially my camera sucks balls. It sucks my dad's balls. I'm not kidding. It always sucks my dad's balls. This is the gayest camera in the world. Do not buy it. I bought it at Save a Lot. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a new camera soon so I could record again. So I'm gonna get a new
Yo!
camera.
Oh, you crashed.
Ah! You're excited! No, I'm just kidding. Ooh, you're old. Oh, you look like my dad's ass.
What's your water? I can see that.
I can't even see it. Looks like water bending right there. Did you see that? It was an alien spaceship. Oh no, I'm just kidding. Oh dang.
You going back to water.
It's going so slow. That sucks. So that's why I need a new awesome camera. Like my friends.
Oh, you shouldn't get a different one.
This RV is gay.
This RV is so cool.
See the alligator all the way nearby. Sooner or later they know.
We're gonna cross.
What the nipples in your mouth? Damn, fucking hot chocolate with fucking shit on it. Fucking shit cake. Chocolate fucking shit cake. Gosh, fucking I don't even know what the hell I'm saying right now. Fuck, chocolate cake. God. That's not funny. Stupid. Oh, you're ugly. You look like my grandpa. Oh, wait. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It's my dad. No, shit. My mom. She had surgery to get a penis. No, shit.
Oh, she's dead.
Oh, this is better.
Yeah. It's better.
Oh, my God. Oh, I'm just going to steal this car.
You just burn it. It's gonna.
I'm gonna put the light more.
It's on fire. Fire,
Is that
fire,
better?
fire. What?
John, is that better?
Yep.
Gotta go slow. See how slow it is?
Let me see.
It's so slow that. Never mind. I'm so stupid.
They could run you
Dude, stop
over.
running me over, you dumb shit bitch ass Fiona fucker. Oh, you wanna go
Whoa.
hardcore? You wanna go hardcore? Go on, bitch. You look like my shit. All brown and everything.
Like, burn him. Burn him again.
Yeah! See how I like it? Blow, 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 blow. Yeah, dude. Ha ha! Oh wait, it was my grandma. Holy crap! My grandma's dead!
Oh, money on the ground.
My grandma! No!
Money on the ground.
Really? Really, bitch? Bitch, that's right. Die. I could do this myself. Oh, jeez. Oh, what do you know? It's gone.
Here comes another one.
No, that's an ambulance.
Man.
Ain't that a surprise? I got
Yes,
a girl.
that's right, bitch. Dude, you're so black you look like my ass. I'm just kidding.
Get out my face.
Jump on the fire. Jump fire.
Shit, 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 shit. Pull over, bitch! Oh yeah, right now we're gonna play 2 players.
Yay.
Shut up. Don't say anything. You just ruined the... Ow! Ah! I don't know why the hell I said that. Oh, I just got hit. That's why I said that. Okay, so... Wait, hold on. Wait for me. Okay, sister. I'll be right back. So you might hear some people talking about shit. Like shit, real shit. No, I'm just kidding. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. You know what? You know what? We'll do part 2 in a minute. Until my computer stops freezing. Hey, bitch! Wake up! What the fuck? Oh. Come on, bitch. Okay.
Suck.
Just getting a call and then